हाय गाइस, आज की इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम्स के टॉप एमसीक्यूज। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, व्हाट इज एन ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम? राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शंस डी, ऑल ऑफ दीज। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज द मैक्सिमम लेंथ ऑफ द फाइल नेम्स इन डॉस? राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी, 8। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हेन वाज द फर्स्ट ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम्स डेवलप्ड? Right answer is options B, 1950. Next question. Which one of the following errors will be handled by the operating system? Right answer is options D, all of these. Next question. Which one of the following is not a real-time operating system? Right answer is options B, Plums OS. Next question. Which of the following is the extensions of Notepad? Right answer is options A, .txt. Next question. What does OS X has? Right answer is option C, hybrids kernel. Next question. The main memory accommodates dash. Right answer is option C, operating system. Next question. Networks operating systems runs on dash. Right answer is options B, server. Next question. Which of the following is not an operating system? Right answer is option C, Oracle. Next question. What else is a command's interpreters called? Right answer is option C, shell. Next question. What is the full names of FAT? Right answer is options B, file allocations table. Next question. BIOS is used. Right answer is options A, by operating system. Next question. What is the mean of the bootings in the operating system? Right answer is options A, restarting computer. Next question. When you delete a files in your computers, where does it go? Right answer is options A, recycle bin. Next question. Which is the Linux operating system? Right answer is option C, open source operating system. Next question. What is the full name of the DSM? Right answer is options D, distributed shared memory. Next question. What is the full name of the IDL? Right answer is options A, interface definitions language. Next question. What is bootstrapping called? Right answer is options A, cold boot. Next question. If the page size increase, the internal fragmentations is also. Right answer is options B, increase. Next question. Which of the following is a single user operating system? Right answer is option C, MS-DOS. Next question. The size of virtual memory is based on which of the following? Right answer is option C, address bus. Next question. Which of the following is not application software? Right answer is options A, Windows 7. Next question. Which of the following Windows does not have a start button? Right answer is options B, Windows 8. Next question. Who provide the interface to assess the service of the operating system? Right answer is options B, system call. Next question. Who among the following can blocks the running process? Right answer is options D, all of these. Thank you.